Hey, what's up? I love chocolate. You know I love sourdough bread too, right? If you like a chocolate sourdough bread recipe which is slightly sweet but yet full of taste and flavor, this video is for you, my friend. Let's get into this, shall we? Into the bowl, add 30 gram brown sugar. Healthier option would be honey, 7 gram salt, 245 gram water, and of course 70 gram active starter. Mix, add 350 gram bread strong flour followed by 20 gram good quality cocoa powder. Mix everything together. We don't want to knead this. Once there is no more dry spot, cover it up and let it rest for 30 minutes. Grab all the edges, stretch a little bit to the center. As you know, this is called stretch and fold. And just try to round it up inside the bowl. Let it rest for another 30 minutes. And of course another set of stretch and fold. Gluten has developed little bit, time to let it rest for 45 minutes and prepare your beautiful filling. What is it? Dark chocolate, my favorite. And little bit of raisin and of course your favorite crushed nuts. I'm using 70%, you can use 50% dark chocolate. I'm using raisin, you can use berries or any nuts you like. Wet up the surface a little bit, bring the dough, spread out the dough as thin as possible. As you might know, this technique called lamination. And add as much as chocolate you like. This is my favorite part. Followed by raisins and crushed nuts. Now fold the dough onto itself. Add more filling because why not? Fold, fold, flip the dough and try to round it up with the help of the surface. By now the dough should be elastic and not sticky at all. Into the bowl, cover it up and let it rest for another 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, to make sure the dough is ready to finish its bulk fermentation, I'm gonna give it one set of coil fold too. I like to grab the dough a couple of times and round it up beautifully. Finish its bulk fermentation at 27 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours. Again, wet up the surface or oil it up, bring the dough and time to pre-shape. Round it up and let it sit on the counter for 20 minutes uncovered. The smell of chocolate is killing me, so I'm gonna let it proof on the counter and bake it the same day. But I recommend you to transfer it into the fridge and bake it the next day for more flavor. Dust up with some flour. Flip the dough, the gas little bit, and it's shaping time. Many ask if I have non-stick fingers. No, I don't have. It's just a little bit of technique and experience. Continue shaping and baking sourdough bread and you will reach there. I guarantee. Time to seal the edges. Into the banneton, let it proof for 1 to 2 hours on room temperature, or you can transfer it into the fridge for more flavor and bake it the next day. Cause I live in hot climate, my dough is ready after 1 hour. And my favorite part, scoring time. What about little bit of bread art to impress your loved one? Why not? And one deep 45-degree angles score. 20 minutes with the steam and 20 minutes without steam. This is what I call a gorgeous chocolate sourdough bread. And it smells like heaven. Go make this recipe. And if you like this video, you can like the video and subscribe my channel so you don't miss my next video. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself. It's amazing.